joined Stellar Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stellar Academy produced Goa State Topper for JEE Main 2024. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
Well, we are almost at the halfway mark and we've seen many films that have been showcased here. All eyes are on 25th of May when the Palme d'Or, the competition winner, will be declared. But apart from all the prizes that are there, there is one very interesting prize at the Cannes Film Festival, and that is the Palme Dog. Yes, it is an award given to a dog, the best dog in all the films that are being showcased at Cannes. Now, it's not an official award, it's an informal kind of an award where critics get together and they decide which was the best dog performance in all the films that were shown at Cannes. Now, this is not a very old award, it's been about 25 years, but I must say it's one of the most fascinating ones. It has also happened that filmmakers like Quentin Tarantino, actresses like Tilda Swinton, they have personally gone to collect the award on behalf of their dog which was there in the movie. Now this year also there are a bunch of films in contention, and today there was a film which I saw called Dog on Trial. Well, the name is very suggestive, and it's based on a true story about a dog who was actually on trial. Now something like this has never happened. It did happen once upon a time in the Middle Ages, as the film tells us, but it has not happened in a long time. I must also add here that France is a very dog-friendly country. You don't just see dogs on the streets, along with their owners of course, on a leash, but you also see them inside buildings and inside malls, and they are just about everywhere. In fact, there is the Marché du Film, which is the film market, which is downstairs here in this very building. Well, there you see dogs inside the film market, and it's a very pleasant sight, I must say, the way the dogs are roaming around and the way even the dogs smile at you. Now, among the Indian films that are being screened here at the Cannes Film Festival, there is a restored version of Shyam Benegal's Manthan. Now, it was nice to see Nasruddin Shah present there for the screening, along with Pratik Babbar, the son of Smita Patil.